We'll guide you through how to refresh data in Google Sheets. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because their data in Google Sheets often doesn't update automatically, especially when using formulas or external data sources. They may face issues like outdated values, errors, or slow syncing. To begin this tutorial, open Google Sheets in your computer or laptop browser. Once the website loads, open the spreadsheet that contains your data. Wait until the file loads completely before taking any action. After the sheet is fully displayed, observe the data shown in the worksheet. Take a moment to review whether the values currently visible seem up to date or not. Next, check whether your data is connected to external sources or uses formulas that automatically update. This step is important because some data may depend on external links or dynamic functions. Now, click on any cell in the spreadsheet to activate the sheet. This ensures that the document is ready to receive any commands you apply. After that, press F5 on your keyboard to refresh the page. This action will reload the entire Google Sheets tab in your browser. Wait patiently until the page reloads completely. Once the reload process begins, give it enough time to finish loading all elements. After the page has reloaded, wait again until the data is fully loaded in the worksheet. Do not rush this step, as incomplete loading may result in outdated or missing data. Once everything appears stable, scroll through the sheet to check the updated values. Carefully review different sections of your spreadsheet to confirm whether the data has changed or refreshed correctly. If the data is still not updated, you can try reloading the browser tab again. Move your cursor to the refresh icon in your browser and click it. This will trigger another reload of the sheet. Wait once more until the sheet reloads completely. After the reload finishes, begin checking all rows and columns carefully. Make sure that there are no errors in your formulas. Once everything looks correct, review the final updated data one more time.